Our region is facing serious hardships marked by crisis, displacement, and economic downturns affecting the communities and affecting students. You, as an FHS alumni, have the chance to support those students impacted by war, impacted by displacement, and support them make their voices heard and help shaping their future as leaders in their communities and in the region. The FSH Student Hardship Fund give you the chance to help support those future leaders and help support their communities and help support their future. Every donation helps cultivate a generation of future resilient leaders who will help shape not only their communities, but shape the Arab region as a whole.